Hey guys, this video I'm going to show you how to share money from IBKR to Revolut. So get Revolut bank details, open the app, choose a currency you want to receive, and tap on add money bank transfer. Select get bank details to retrieve your IBAN, SWIFT, BIC, and other relevant bank details for that currency. Then add Revolut bank account to IBKR. Log into your IBKR account, navigate to transfer and pay, click on transfer funds, choose withdraw funds, click add new bank, enter the Revolut bank details. That was in step 1, and then save the details. And if this will help you, be sure to subscribe. So then withdraw funds from IBKR to Revolut. After linking your Revolut bank, go back to transfer and pay. Withdraw funds, choose your Revolut bank account from the list of linked accounts. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and the currency you're withdrawing must match the currency on Revolut. Review the details and then click submit to initiate the withdrawal. And then wait for a transfer. It usually takes 2 to 5 business days. The fees IBKR may charge a withdrawal fee, and Revolut may charge for certain types of incoming international transfers. And if you're withdrawing in a different currency from your Revolut account, Revolut will handle the conversion at their rates. So here are some additional tips. Ensure your IBKR account matches the name on Revolut to avoid delays. Revolut supports multiple currencies, but make sure you're withdrawing the correct currency. And Revolut Premium or Metal Plans may offer better rates for international transfers. IBKR withdrawal fee can vary depending on the currency and method. Check the fees on their platform. So I hope this will help you. Subscribe.